Welcome back to Auto Gear Insider. Today, I'm counting down the 21 coolest EV gadgets on Amazon you'll wish you bought. From smart charging accessories and innovative tech upgrades to practical tools that make electric vehicle ownership easier, these gadgets are designed to enhance convenience, efficiency, and everyday driving enjoyment. Whether you're a new EV owner or a longtime enthusiast, there's something here that can upgrade your experience. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Power Mount EV Cable Hub. The Power Mount EV Cable Hub is a practical storage accessory designed to keep charging cables organized, protected, and ready for use. Instead of leaving cords on the floor where they can become tangled or damaged, this hub provides a dedicated place for neat storage. I like how it helps create a cleaner charging area while reducing unnecessary wear on expensive charging equipment. The durable construction is built for daily use and works well in garages, driveways, and charging stations. Installation is quick and simple, making it easy to upgrade cable management without hassle. Its thoughtful design keeps accessories within reach while maintaining a professional appearance. For anyone seeking better organization, this cable hub delivers convenience, protection, reliability, and long-term value. PowerLink 50A EV Cord. The PowerLink 50A EV cord is built to provide dependable charging performance and long-lasting durability. Designed for demanding charging applications, it offers a secure connection while remaining flexible enough for everyday handling. I appreciate how the durable exterior helps resist wear from repeated use, making it suitable for frequent charging sessions. Its generous length provides added convenience by allowing easier access to charging locations without unnecessary strain. The cord is engineered to maintain reliable operation while supporting efficient power delivery. Whether used at home or other compatible charging environments, it helps create a smoother charging experience. Combining durability, convenience, and dependable performance, the PowerLink 50A EV cord is a practical accessory that supports everyday charging needs with confidence and reliability.
Rapid Air X8 Tire Inflator. The Rapid Air X8 Tire Inflator is a compact and convenient tool designed to help maintain proper tire pressure wherever you go. Correct tire inflation is important for safety, efficiency, and overall vehicle performance, and this inflator makes the process simple. I like how the portable design allows easy storage inside a vehicle without taking up much space. User-friendly controls make operation straightforward, even for beginners. The clear display helps monitor pressure levels accurately, reducing guesswork during inflation. Beyond vehicle tires, it can assist with other compatible inflatables, adding extra versatility. Built for dependable performance and everyday convenience, the Rapid Air X8 Tire Inflator is a useful tool that helps improve preparedness, save time, and support routine maintenance. ChargeGuard NACS Port Shield. The ChargeGuard NACS Port Shield is a simple yet effective accessory designed to protect charging ports from everyday exposure. Dust, moisture, and debris can accumulate over time, potentially affecting charging equipment, and this shield helps reduce those concerns. I appreciate how it provides an additional layer of protection while remaining easy to install and remove whenever needed. The lightweight design fits securely without interfering with regular charging use. Built from durable materials, it is designed to withstand repeated handling while maintaining reliable performance. By helping keep charging ports cleaner and better protected, it can contribute to improved long-term reliability. For users looking to protect valuable charging equipment, the ChargeGuard NACS Port Shield offers practical protection and everyday peace of mind.
VoltBridge CCS NACS Adapter. The VoltBridge CCS NACS adapter is designed to improve charging flexibility by supporting compatibility between different charging systems. As charging infrastructure continues to expand, having access to more charging options can be extremely beneficial. I like how this adapter provides a practical solution without requiring major equipment changes. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, store, and use whenever needed. Built for durability, it is designed to handle frequent charging sessions while maintaining a reliable connection. The secure fit helps support dependable charging performance and user confidence. Whether used regularly or occasionally during travel, this adapter adds convenience and versatility. The VoltBridge CCS NACS adapter is a useful accessory that helps simplify charging while improving accessibility and flexibility. EV Dance Dual Level EV Charger. The EV-Dance dual-level EV charger is designed to provide flexible charging options for a variety of situations. Supporting multiple charging levels allows users to adapt to different power sources while maintaining dependable performance. I appreciate how the charger combines convenience with straightforward operation, making it suitable for both experienced and new users. Its portable design allows easy transportation when charging is needed in different locations. Built with durability in mind, it is designed to withstand regular use while delivering consistent results. The user-friendly setup process helps reduce complexity and saves valuable time. Combining flexibility, reliability, and convenience, the EV-Dance dual-level EV charger offers a practical charging solution that supports efficient everyday use and dependable performance.
Adjustable Tire Deflator Kit. The Adjustable Tire Deflator Kit allows you to quickly and accurately reduce tire pressure when needed. It is especially useful for off-road driving, where lower pressure improves traction. The adjustable design ensures precise control over pressure levels. Made from durable materials, it is built to withstand regular use. The kit is easy to install and remove, saving time during adjustments. It is compact and portable, making it ideal for travel. This tool helps improve driving performance in different conditions. Overall, it is a practical accessory for maintaining optimal tire pressure and enhancing vehicle control during various driving situations. Tire Removal Toolkit. The Tire Removal Toolkit is designed to make tire maintenance and replacement easier and more efficient. It includes essential tools needed for removing and installing tires safely. The tools are made from durable materials to handle heavy use. The kit is organized in a compact case for easy storage and portability. It is suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Using this kit helps save time and reduces the need for professional assistance. Overall, it is a valuable addition to any vehicle maintenance setup, ensuring you are prepared for tire-related tasks whenever needed.
Adjustable Tire Deflator. The Adjustable Tire Deflator is a simple yet effective tool for managing tire pressure. It allows you to release air quickly while maintaining control over the desired pressure level. This is especially useful for off-road driving or specific driving conditions. The compact design makes it easy to carry and store. It is built from durable materials for long-term use. The tool is easy to operate and suitable for all users. Regular use helps maintain optimal tire performance. Overall, it is a practical accessory that improves driving efficiency and ensures better control in different situations.
Smart Trailer Tire Monitor. The Smart Trailer Tire Monitor provides real-time tracking of tire pressure and temperature, helping ensure safe and efficient driving. It connects wirelessly to a display or smartphone, allowing easy monitoring at any time. Accurate readings help prevent unexpected tire failures and improve overall performance. The system is simple to install and works with different trailer types. It sends instant alerts if pressure or temperature levels become unsafe, allowing quick action. Built with strong materials, it performs reliably in various weather conditions. This device reduces maintenance concerns and improves safety. Overall, it is an essential tool for keeping trailer tires in optimal condition during every trip. Off-Road Tire Air Deflator. The off-road tire air deflator is a useful tool for quickly lowering tire pressure to improve traction on rough terrain. It allows controlled deflation, ensuring you reach the desired pressure level without guesswork. The durable construction ensures it can handle tough conditions during off-road adventures. It is compact and easy to carry, making it a convenient addition to your gear. The simple design makes it easy to use for both beginners and experienced drivers. Lowering tire pressure can improve grip and performance on uneven surfaces. Overall, this tool is a practical solution for enhancing off-road driving control and efficiency.
Digital Tire Inflator Gauge. The Digital Tire Inflator Gauge combines inflation and pressure measurement into one convenient tool. It provides accurate readings with a clear digital display, ensuring precise control over tire pressure. This helps maintain optimal performance and efficiency. The device is easy to use and suitable for all skill levels. Built from durable materials, it is designed for long-term reliability. Its compact size makes it easy to store in your vehicle. Regular use helps prevent underinflation or overinflation, improving safety and tire lifespan. Overall, this gadget offers a simple and effective way to maintain proper tire pressure for better driving performance. Tire Buffing Repair Kit. The Tire Buffing Repair Kit is an essential tool for maintaining tire performance and extending lifespan. It is designed to smooth damaged areas before applying patches, ensuring a stronger and more reliable repair. The kit includes high-quality buffing tools that work efficiently on various tire types. Its compact design makes it easy to store and carry for quick fixes on the go. Using this kit helps maintain proper tire balance and improves overall efficiency. It is simple to use, even for beginners, making tire maintenance more accessible. Overall, this tool is a practical solution for keeping your tires in top condition and ensuring better driving performance.
Wireless TPMS Tire Monitor. The wireless TPMS tire monitor provides real-time updates on tire pressure and temperature without complicated wiring. It uses sensors that transmit data to a central display, allowing easy monitoring while driving. This helps maintain optimal tire conditions and improves efficiency. The system is easy to install and works with a wide range of vehicles. Alerts notify you instantly if any tire experiences abnormal pressure changes. The display is clear and easy to read in different lighting conditions. Overall, this gadget offers convenience, accuracy, and improved safety, making it an essential tool for maintaining proper tire performance every day.
54 PCS Tire Repair Kit. The 54 PCS Tire Repair Kit offers everything you need for comprehensive tire maintenance on the go. It includes plugs, reamers, insertion tools, and more, allowing EV owners to fix punctures and minor damage quickly. Durable and portable, the kit fits easily in your trunk or garage workspace. Using proper tire repair methods ensures safety, extends tire life, and maintains energy efficiency. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts or emergency situations, this kit is compatible with a wide range of EV tires. For drivers who want complete preparation, the 54 PCS Tire Repair Kit provides reliable, effective, and convenient solutions for maintaining tire health anywhere. Dual Metal Tire Gauge. The Dual Metal Tire Gauge offers accurate pressure readings with a durable and sturdy design. It features dual measurement scales, making it versatile and easy to use. The metal construction ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to wear. This tool is compact and fits easily in your glove box or toolkit. Accurate pressure readings help improve efficiency and extend tire life. It does not require batteries, making it reliable in all situations. The gauge is simple to use and provides consistent results. Overall, it is a dependable tool that helps maintain proper tire pressure and enhances overall driving performance.
Portable Cordless Tire Pump. The portable cordless tire pump provides a convenient way to inflate tires anytime and anywhere. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your vehicle. The cordless feature allows flexible use without needing a power outlet. It includes a digital display for accurate pressure readings and automatic shutoff for safety. This tool helps maintain proper tire pressure, improving efficiency and safety. It is easy to use and suitable for beginners. Built with durable materials, it ensures reliable performance over time. Overall, this pump is a practical and efficient solution for everyday tire maintenance needs.
Digital Industrial Tire Gauge. The Digital Industrial Tire Gauge is designed for high accuracy and durability, making it ideal for regular tire maintenance. It provides precise pressure readings, helping ensure optimal tire performance. The digital display is clear and easy to read in different lighting conditions. Built with strong materials, it can handle heavy use without losing accuracy. It is compact and easy to carry, making it convenient for everyday use. This tool helps maintain proper pressure, improving safety and efficiency. Overall, it is a reliable and professional-grade tool that ensures your tires perform at their best at all times. Cordless EV Tire Inflator. The cordless EV tire inflator is a practical tool for keeping electric vehicle tires at optimal pressure. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to store in your car or take on trips. The cordless operation allows inflation anywhere without relying on a power source, offering flexibility and convenience. It includes a digital display for accurate pressure readings and an automatic shutoff to prevent overinflation. Built from durable materials, it is reliable for repeated use. Proper tire pressure improves safety, efficiency, and driving range. Overall, this inflator is an essential accessory for maintaining tire health and ensuring safe, reliable driving.
Smart TPMS Tire Sensor. The Smart TPMS Tire Sensor provides real-time monitoring of tire pressure and temperature, helping improve safety and efficiency. It connects wirelessly to your smartphone, allowing you to track tire health easily. Accurate readings help prevent underinflation, which can reduce performance and range. The sensors are easy to install and compatible with most vehicles. They are built with durable materials to withstand different weather conditions. Alerts notify you instantly of any issues, helping you act quickly. This gadget enhances driving confidence and reduces maintenance guesswork. Overall, it is a smart investment for maintaining optimal tire performance and ensuring a smoother driving experience.
Digital Tire Depth Gauge. The Digital Tire Depth Gauge helps you accurately measure tread depth to ensure safe driving conditions. Maintaining proper tread depth improves traction and reduces the risk of slipping. This tool features a clear digital display for precise readings, making it easy to understand. It is compact and lightweight, allowing you to carry it anywhere. Regular checks help you know when it is time to replace your tires. The device is simple to use and suitable for beginners. It is built with durable materials for long-term reliability. Overall, this gauge is a must-have tool for keeping your tires safe and performing at their best. Solar SUV Tire Monitor. The Solar SUV Tire Monitor offers convenient and eco-friendly tire monitoring for everyday use. It provides real-time pressure and temperature readings, helping maintain optimal tire conditions. The solar-powered design reduces the need for frequent charging, making it highly efficient. The display unit is compact and easy to read even in bright conditions. Installation is quick and does not require professional help. Alerts notify you of any unusual changes, helping prevent potential issues. This device improves safety and efficiency by ensuring proper tire maintenance. Overall, it is a reliable and convenient solution for keeping your vehicle performing at its best. Digital Off-Road Tire Gauge. The Digital Off-Road Tire Gauge is designed for precision and durability in tough conditions. It provides accurate pressure readings, which are essential for maintaining control and efficiency. The digital display is easy to read, even in low-light environments. Its rugged construction ensures it can handle rough use without damage. This tool is especially useful for adjusting tire pressure during off-road driving. It is compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel. Regular use helps improve tire performance and safety. Overall, this gauge is a dependable tool for anyone who needs accurate readings in challenging driving conditions. Portable Cordless Tire Inflator. The portable cordless tire inflator is a convenient solution for maintaining proper tire pressure anywhere. It is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it ideal for emergencies or regular maintenance. The cordless design eliminates the need for external power sources, adding flexibility. It features a digital display for accurate pressure control and automatic shutoff to prevent overinflation. This tool helps improve efficiency and extends tire life. It is simple to operate, even for beginners. Built with durable materials, it ensures long-term use. Overall, this inflator is a reliable and practical addition to your vehicle maintenance tools.
Heavy-duty tire patches. Heavy-duty tire patches are designed to provide strong and long-lasting repairs for punctured tires. Made from high-quality materials, they ensure a secure seal that prevents air leaks. These patches are easy to apply and work well with most repair kits. They are ideal for both temporary and semi-permanent fixes, helping you get back on the road quickly. Their durability ensures they can withstand pressure and different driving conditions. Keeping these patches on hand is always a smart choice for emergencies. Overall, they offer a simple and effective way to maintain tire integrity and ensure safer driving performance.
That brings us to the end of our list of 21 coolest EV gadgets on Amazon you'll wish you bought. I hope you discovered some exciting products that can make your electric vehicle smarter, more convenient, and more enjoyable to drive. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and leave a comment sharing your favorite gadget from today's list. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Gear Insider and turn on notifications for more reviews and recommendations. Also, check the links in the description for pricing and additional product details.